We continue miscellaneous exercise and we discuss question number 8. Question number 8. Show that for any sets A and B. Show that for any sets A and B. For any sets A and B. Show that for any sets A and B, A equals to A intersection B. A equals to A intersection B union A minus B. Union A minus B. And the second result which we have to prove, that A union B minus A. A union B minus A is equals to A union B. A union B minus A equals to A union B. So these two results we have to derive. So let us see the first result, and we solve RHS. We solve RHS and it comes LHS. So we solve RHS. This is A intersection B union A minus B. A intersection B union A minus B. So this is written as A intersection B as it is union A minus B. A minus B is written as A intersection B dash. We have derived the result. A minus B is always equals to A intersection B dash. So at the place of A minus B, we write the result A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash. In the bracket, you may write that A minus B equals to A intersection B dash. This is the derived result. Now the next result we have derived, A intersection B dash is equals to B dash. So we write A intersection B and union at the place of this we write B dash. Here we write the result that A intersection B dash is written as B dash. Now we put together B and B dash in a bracket. So A intersection B union B dash is written in bracket. And the third result B union B dash is X. A union A dash will be also X. C union C dash will be also X. So B union B dash is written as X. So A intersection X, and the last result A intersection X is equals to A. So here we write that B union B dash is equals to X, and A intersection X, this is equals to A. So we get the result LHS. So by solving RHS we get LHS. Now the second result is A union B minus A. In the second, we solve LHS. So for second result, LHS is A union B minus A. So A union B minus A. If A minus B is written as A intersection B dash, then B minus A is written as B intersection A dash. B minus A is written as B intersection A dash. Now we use the distributive property. We use the distributive property. So we write A union B intersection A union A dash. Here in a bracket we write that using distributive property. Using distributive property. and A union A dash. A union A dash. If B union B dash is X, then A union A dash will also be X. So this becomes A union B and intersection X. Now let suppose this whole bracket as a. So A intersection X equals to A. So always left side the value A will come, and X is the universal set. So universal set never come. When A intersection X, it comes set A, not universal set. So suppose A union B equals to A. So A intersection X is written as A. A means A union B, which is our RHS. So we prove the result LHS is equals to RHS. Now let us see next question. Next question is question number 9. Using properties of sets. Using properties of sets. Using properties of sets, show that the first result is A union A intersection B. A union A intersection B. A union A intersection B is equals to A. And the second result which we have to prove, that A intersection A union B. A intersection A union B. This is also equals to A. So both the results which we have proved. So for solving the first result, we use the distributive properties on LHS. So LHS is A union A intersection B. And we use the distributive property. Distributive property is written as A union A union A intersection A union B. A union A intersection A union B. Now A union A is written as A. A union A is written as A. A union A is always equals to A. B union B. A union A is A. B union B is also B. So A union A is written as A, and A intersection A union B. Now we use this result. A intersection X equals to A. Assume this as an X. So A intersection X, it comes A. So this is the RHS. Now for second result, again we use the distributive property. For second result, again we use the distributive property and we solve LHS. So A intersection A union B. This can be written as, by using distributive property, A intersection A union A intersection B. And again A intersection A is also A. A intersection A is also A, because both have the same element. So A union A intersection B. A union A intersection B. And A union A intersection B is always equals to A. A union A intersection B is equals to A. So this is our RHS. Now the next question, question number 10. Question number 10. Show that A intersection B is equals to A intersection C. Show that A intersection B. Show that A intersection B is equals to A intersection C. A intersection B equals to A intersection C need not apply. B equals to C. Need not imply. B equals to C. It means if A intersection B is equals to A intersection C, if these two results are equal, it doesn't mean that B equals to C. It doesn't mean that B equals to C. So let us take an example. Let A equals to let A equals to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Set B equals to 2, 3, 4. And set C equals to 2, 3, 5. We have taken three sets A, B and C. A equals to 1, 2, 3, B equals to 2, 3, 4 and C equals to 2, 3, 5. Now find A intersection B. So A intersection B is written as 1, 2, 3 intersection 2, 3, 4. And the common element among them is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 will be A intersection B. Now find A intersection C. So 1, 2, 3 intersection 2, 3, 5. So the result is again 2, 3. So it is clear that A intersection B is equals to A intersection C, but B is not equals to C. But B is not equals to C. So if A intersection B is equals to A intersection C, it doesn't mean that B equals to C. B doesn't equals to C. B is not equals to C. Now the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Let A and B be sets. Let A and B be sets. Let A and B be sets. Let A and B be sets if A intersection X equals to B intersection X equals to 5. If A intersection X if A intersection X equals to B intersection X equals to 5. A intersection X equals to B intersection X equals to 5 and A union X equals to B union X and A union X equals to A union X equals to B union X. Then for some sets x, for some set x, for some set x, for some set x, then prove that a equals to b. Then prove that a equals to b. If a and b be two sets and a intersection x equals to b intersection x equals to phi, then prove that a equals to b. So we have given a union x equals to b union x. We have given a union x equals to b union x. A union x equals to b union x. Apply a intersection both sides. So a intersection, introduce a intersection both sides. So a intersection a union x equals to a intersection b union x. Now a intersection a union x, this can be a intersection a union x. A intersection a union x will be equals to a, because a intersection x equals to a. And here we use the distributive property. We use the distributive property. So we write a intersection b union a intersection x. A union b intersection a intersection b union a intersection x, and a equals to a intersection b union a intersection x is given phi. So we put a intersection x is equals to phi, and a intersection b union phi is written as a intersection b. So we get the result a equals to a intersection b. Now again we write a union x equals to b union x, and we introduce b intersection both sides. So b intersection a union b is equals to b intersection b union x. Now here we use the distributive property and we write b intersection a union b intersection b equals to b intersection b union x, b intersection b union x. So here in the right side we use the distributive property. B intersection a union b, this is written as b, because a intersection x equals to a, so b intersection x will be b, and b intersection a union b, we suppose a union b as x, and here we use the distributive property. So b intersection b and union b intersection x, b intersection b union b intersection x, and b intersection x equals to phi. B intersection x is given as phi. B intersection b union x and b intersection b union x. Here we use the distributive property. Here we use the distributive property. So b intersection a union b intersection b equals to b intersection a union, it was a union x equals to b union x. So b intersection a union x. So b intersection a union b intersection x. So b intersection x can be written as phi, and b intersection b union x equals to b. and B intersection A is written as A intersection B union, this is written as phi equals to B, and A intersection B union phi is equals to A intersection B, and this is equals to B. So from first and second we conclude, from first and second A intersection B equals to B and A intersection B is also equals to B. So A equals to B. A intersection B equals to A, and here A intersection B equals to B. So we can conclude that A equals to B, which we have to prove.